Hey everybody, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to introduce a must-have tool for truckers and fleet managers, our IFTA Reporting Mileage Calculator. If you need to track miles by state for IFTA reporting, this tool will make your life so much easier. Whether you're logging 100 trips or 1,000, this tool simplifies the process and ensures accurate mileage calculations for your quarterly IFTA filing. And with deadlines always creeping up, now's the perfect time to get everything in order. Now, if you're using an ELD, electronic logging device, that's great, but not everyone has that set up. That's where our Excel-based IFTA tool comes in. It calculates total miles driven per state and gives you a clean, organized report for your filing. No more manual tracking, guesswork, or spending hours sorting through trip logs. Here's how it works. First, download the tool. You'll find the link in the description. Then, enter your trip details. You can use zip codes, cities, or full addresses. For the most precise results, we recommend full addresses, but if you only have zip codes or city names, the tool can still work with that. Once your trips are entered, simply click Calculate, and the tool will calculate total driving distance and time, break down miles by state, generate a detailed summary report for easy IFTA filing. Let's take a look at an example. Suppose you're hauling from California to Washington, D.C. The tool automatically calculates the total driving distance and displays exactly how many miles were driven in each state. Most importantly, with just a click of the summary button, you'll get the total mileage by state for all your trips. You'll have a clear, ready-to-use report that simplifies your IFTA filing. And the best part? No software installation is needed. This tool runs entirely in Excel, making it lightweight and simple to use. It also integrates with the Google Maps API, so you'll need a Google Maps API key for this tool to work. We've created a separate video that will guide you in setting it up. Truckers and logistics pros love this tool. Just check out our reviews. We've got over 120 5-star reviews on Google from people who've saved hours using this tool. If you're tired of manually tracking your IFTA miles, this tool is exactly what you need. If you have any questions or need help getting started, feel free to call or email us. Yes, we actually pick up the phone. We're here to help make IFTA reporting as easy as possible. Download the tool now using the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more Excel tools to simplify your workflow. IFTA deadlines are right around the corner. Don't wait. Get your mileage tracking in order today. Till next time.